Hey guys, it's Vance Packwood here, and today I want to show you something, but before I tell you, you see, like, every single video I wear pants, but since it's summertime, look, I'm wearing shorts. Since it's the summertime, I'm wearing shorts. For every single video in the summertime, I'm going to be wearing shorts. Because it's gonna be really hot outside. Anyway, let me show you what it is. It's be making a Lego pen. I'm gonna be unboxing it and building it. So, a new unboxing video. And the last time I made an unboxing video was like, remember last year? I unboxed that fidget spinner, the glow in the dark one. It came in the mail from my Aunt Lisa. So I thank her for it. So, thank you, Aunt Lisa, if you're watching this. Anyway, let's open this. And it shows you what you're supposed to do right here. It's a Lego pen. You can make your own, yeah. It says Lego writing system on it. And anyway, let's just unbox this thing. Anyway guys, do you think I should wear sunglasses and wear my leg for every single video in the summertime? Just please comment. Alright, it's like a case. Anyway, let me just put the box here behind my bed. And it shows you the instructions of how to make it. The pen is this. Oh. Oh. Anyway, sorry I'm being a little bit silent. And also, if you take this thing off, you'll see what it looks like. If you take it off, it looks like this. It just looks like this, just regular old pen. I mean, a broken pen. If you take them all apart, you'll see what happens. Right here it says Grand Slam on it. Right here. You see it? Grand Slam. Also on the back it says Home Run, but I know it's a little blurry for you guys. I think you guys can see it a little. This is just a Lego pen. The only pen you can connect and build. Oh my god, this is a lot of a big paper. Anyway, oh sorry, being a little silent because anyway, I got one of these out. It's a baseball right here. A Lego baseball. And this is given to me by my grandma's my grandma's boyfriend, Marcelo. Anyway, so if you guys love this video, please subscribe. Bye guys. And if you guys love this unboxing video. And remember, on June 14th, I'm gonna start going to Kentucky. So, Natural Bridge. And I think I'm going to Natural Bridge, or whatever it's called. We're gonna be climbing up a mountain on Kentucky, so I really wish some of you guys could see me there. And I know Travis lives at Kentucky, so. And also, please subscribe to his channel. He's really counting on your support. And there you go. And I hope you guys love this video, and please subscribe. Bye, guys.